Hi, I'm Joel Worthington, president of Mr. Electric. Thanks for joining me today. Matthew Kelly said, the fundamental difference between pleasure and satisfaction is that pleasure cannot be sustained beyond the activity producing it. What does that mean? Well, it means things like eating. Boy, eating can bring a lot of pleasure if you know a good cook or at a great restaurant. But you know, you eat it, you enjoy it, it's a lot of fun while you're eating it, but then you're done. What do you want to do? You want to eat some more, and so you can get that pleasure again. Things like drinking alcoholic beverages, that may bring you some temporary pleasure, but then the pleasure's gone and you need to reproduce that activity to bring the pleasure again. Think about going to an amusement park and riding a roller coaster. Brings a lot of pleasure. You scream, you yell, boy, that was fun, and you get off, and what do you want to do? Go get back in line and ride the roller coaster again so you can have more pleasure. So those things are things that bring pleasure. Satisfaction, however, lasts well beyond the activity. So satisfaction, things that bring satisfaction are things like the time that I invested with my children. The times that maybe I really didn't want to go out and throw the ball with my son or go to the park, or even as an adult riding skateboards with my son in the neighborhood. It really hurts when you're in your 30s and you fall down. But those things may not have brought temporary pleasure, but they sure bring long-lasting satisfaction, as now my children are older and I'm able to enjoy that lasting long-term relationship with my kids. Other things that bring lasting satisfaction are things that I've worked really hard at. Things that at the time didn't bring any pleasure at all. Brings me lasting satisfaction when I've spent years exercising, take care of my body and my health and working out. And now in my middle age, I can enjoy the ability to get around good and still be fit and in good health. Those are things that bring lasting satisfaction. Now, I don't know about you, but I would really like to know that my life, at the end of it all, is really satisfying. And I want to live every day having satisfaction in my life, whether I have temporary pleasures or not. You know, the thing about temporary pleasures is sometimes the freedom to enjoy those pleasures actually turns into enslavement to an addiction, because we go back again and again and again to try to achieve that same level of pleasure that we got in the past. So I want to ask you this question. Are you living to gain a life of satisfaction, or are you chasing after temporary pleasures? I would encourage you to do the things that bring long-term satisfaction, and you will have no regrets when it's all said and done.